The Sena 5S Bluetooth communication system delivers impressively clear, high-definition intercom audio that makes rider-to-rider chats feel natural, even at highway speeds. Its in-helmet, high-definition speakers provide strong volume with fuller bass and better clarity than many older Sena units, which really helps with music and spoken directions. The large jog dial and simple button layout are easy to find with gloves on, so changing volume, tracks, or calls while riding feels intuitive and less distracting. An integrated liquid crystal display on the unit gives quick visual confirmation of battery status, radio station, and settings, which makes setup and day-to-day use more straightforward. Smartphone pairing works reliably for music, navigation prompts, and phone calls, and the audio equalizer profiles in the companion app let you fine-tune the sound to your helmet and preferences. The included clamp kit and boom microphone make installation on most motorcycle helmets relatively painless, turning the Sena 5S into a practical, feature-rich communicator for everyday riders.